here on Mille Lacs Lake. Catch them on their beds. I'm throwing a 3XD. Let's see if we can't get this big old giant. Right over there. Big one. Big one just like that. Big one. Big one. Just gobbled up that 3XD. Whew. Big one. That's a giant. Oh yeah, tell you, a lot of guys, you know, they go in to throw worms and they throw drop shot rigs and stuff like that, but there's no other bigger predator to a smallmouth bass or a largemouth bass is another little bait fish, or maybe another little bass, or any kind of little predator fish. And I'll tell you, try it. You'll put big ones in the boat like this. I mean, that is a slouch. These ducket rods, Abu reels, this whole setup, I got 12-pound test fluoro, actually 8-pound test fluorocarbon cranking, and pulled a big old freak nasty like this right off her bed. Look at that fish. Pig. Whew.